I broke this motherfucker. That's what it gets. Cause you know why I broke it? It's supposed to be 2004. He's a fucking drunk. And this one said 2003. That should have been 2004. Fucking 2004. I should have been 2004. My first one was a 2004 rare SpongeBob. This was 2003. The fucking box set. Where is it? 2000 son of a bitch 4. Should have been 2004. Mine was 2004. My very first one is 2004. I used to have it, but I don't have that one ain't that anymore. My 2004 is gone. Many years ago, my 2004 was broken. Many years ago. So, that's how it gets. This was supposed to be a 2004, but it's 2003. I wanted to be a 2004 because my very first one said it was a 2004. Guess what? I freaking destroy it! Last thing I'll do for this thing, cut the wire off. Already broke it out. I hit on it too many times, I broke it. One thing that'd be good. Cut the wire off. It should have been a freaking 2004. My first one said 2004. Usually mine it didn't show 2003 on the year when I opened the game up. When I turned this game, my very first one said the year it showed was 2004. And this one said 2003. This one said it. When I turned the game, it showed 2003 on that one. My first one showed 2004. So how the fuck is this 2003? The box said 2004. And this was supposed to be a fucking 2004! Well, guess what? Cut it right the fuck off. Cut it off. Fucking asshole. Well, that's what it gets. The box said 2004. When I turned this game, it said 2003. Are you fucking serious? Play rodeo, Sandy? You wanna play rodeo? Here's your flyers that looks like a whoa. Try to sleep there. Getting sick of it. Well, that's it for my Tales of Free SpongeBob Pokemon Play. I just got that Friday. It was supposed to be Tales of 4, but it just showed Tales of Free weren't on the system. It was supposed to be 2004. Well, kissing goodbye to this retard one. My first one I used to have was 2004, but this one is a different one. That one was 2003. It was supposed to be freaking 2004. I had enough.